Google has announced that the Pixel 9 series will launch on August 13th. This series includes the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Today, 3 weeks before the official launch, a video review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL was released. The review, originally in Ukrainian and mirrored for more accessibility, shows what appears to be a near-final version of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, giving viewers a look at its design. The design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL features an interesting geometric pattern beneath the iconic G logo on the back, suggesting it might be a prototype rather than a retail unit. The YouTuber reviewing the phone did not turn it on, probably because it might not work properly as it's just a design sample. The nearly 20-minute video gives an in-depth look at the phone's design, showing it both in hand and next to other popular smartphones like the Pixel 8 Pro and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The video offers valuable insights into the size and appearance of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Additionally, a new leak has emerged for the Google Pixel 9, featuring marketing materials shared by a reliable leaker, OnLeaks, with 91 Mobiles. These images reveal detailed information about the specs and features of the entire Pixel 9 lineup, leaving little unknown about the upcoming devices. The leaked images suggest that the base Pixel 9 might have a 6.3-inch display and 12 gigabytes of RAM. The Pixel 9 Pro might come in two sizes, a 6.3-inch and a larger XL version with a 6.8-inch screen, both with 16 gigabytes of RAM. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold could have a 6.3-inch display when folded and an 8-inch display when unfolded, also with 16 gigabytes of RAM. All these devices are expected to feature Google's new G4 Tensor chip. However, the camera specifications in this leak differ from what was previously reported by Android Authority. According to the new leak, the base Pixel 9 is expected to have a 10.5-megapixel front-facing camera and a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The Pixel 9 Pro could feature a 42-megapixel selfie camera and a triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. Lastly, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might come with a 10-megapixel selfie camera, a 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens. These details give an intriguing look at the camera features the new Google Pixel devices might offer. Unfortunately, the packaging for the Pixel 9 series does not include a charger, only a USB 2 Type-C to Type-C cable, despite the devices supporting USB 3.2 Gen 2 for display output. Many users would have preferred a USB 3 cable. Google emphasizes the advanced Google Tensor G4 chip and promises a 24-hour battery life. Additionally, users can expect 7 years of security patches and feature updates, similar to the Pixel 8 series. The leaked marketing materials offer a preview of the potential features of the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup. Among these features, there are rumors about the inclusion of a new Gemini assistant and a circle-to-search function. One interesting feature could allow users to search their screenshots, helping to save important information for later reference. The leak also suggests that the new features will help users find information like events and locations in their screenshots. Additionally, there are hints at an emergency SOS feature with crisis alerts, 7 years of security and feature updates, and a free year of access to Google's advanced AI model, Gemini Advanced. The marketing materials mention that Pixel devices help prevent scams, phishing, and malware, likely referring to new safety features Google introduced recently. Lastly, users of the Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold will have access to Gemini Advanced. Yes, the Pixel 9 is not included in the offer, as mentioned in the terms at the bottom of the poster. The last poster shows all the latest devices in the Pixel lineup, including what appears to be the Pixel Buds Pro 2. These earbuds won't have any changes to their exterior, but are expected to have a slightly different design for a better fit. The poster also features the Pixel Watch 3 XL, but there isn't any information available about it yet. Stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup, and feel free to share your thoughts on these exciting developments in the comments below. Take care, and see you in the next update.